Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, welcome. I'm Mallory. In today's video, we will be reviewing part 2 of the 3-part Morphe Get Rich and Foiled series. In part 3, we will be reviewing the Rose to Fame collection. This is the rose gold one of the Get Rich and Foiled collection. If you missed part 1 of the series, we did review the Going Platinum, so I will link it down in the description box below for you, so you go and watch it whenever you're done after this one. In today's video, we are moving on to the Goldseeker collection. My, I am very excited about this. I love gold.
I love gold.
I don't know, it just gives. Like silver, I've been more into silvers here lately, but gold, you can just never go wrong. So in the Going Platinum collection, we did like a Y2K type of look. So I want to keep that theme going up. I mean, obviously, look at the hair. We're definitely going Y2K. Okay, so just like in last one, we did get another sheet. Sweep the molten metal eyeshadow across the lid for smooth, blendable, incredibly luminous payoff. So if we want to use this one dry, we can. Or if you want enhanced liquid effects, apply wet. So you spray the brush with continuous setting mist, or you use with water before picking up the molten metal eyeshadow, glide along lash line or creases for molten light shine. We did not do it wet last time. Well, we did, but we put it on the lid. So I think we're gonna use this as a liner today and get like a smoky eye out of it, like a smoky eye with a golden liner. I think that would be kind of cute. I think it'd be kind of cute. So that's where we're going with this look today. So let's go ahead and get started. We are gonna go in with a Morphe TE202 brush. This is from the holiday collection. But before we get started, I didn't even give you guys the shade names. We have Creme de la Creme, Big Splendor. I love it. I love it. Sense and Sensibility, praise be. Guilty Pleasure, Goldseeker, Pretty Penny, Have Your Cake, Fancy That, and Dark Money. I never heard no Dark Money before. What that mean? What that mean? So we're gonna go ahead and start off with Sense and Sensibility. Yes, Lord. We need some more of that in our lives. Sense and Sensibility. So I'm gonna start with that in my crease. Okay, so this shade is looking gorge. I did go ahead and add some tape on this side. I don't know why I didn't put it on the other side, because I want a really sharp, like, a really sharp edge on this look. So I'm gonna put some tape on here too, like right under the lash line. Okay, and I'm just gonna blend outwards because we're gonna put that wing on there. So I wanna make sure we have some color out here. This shade is so far so good. Sense and Sensibility is looking great. We're gonna start blending into the other side. I'm pretty excited for this look, y'all, because I really love a good smoky eye, and I feel like it's what we deserve for today. So far, that is looking pretty good. We're off to a great start. Okay, the next shade we're gonna go to is this one right here. This one is Fancy That. This is a Morphe FF3 brush that we're using. I'm going to start blending that down more onto the lid. Start to smoke out this look. Now I'm going back in with the other Morphe brush, the 202 brush. This shade, Fancy That, this is actually really, really nice. It's pretty deep, but it's not like overtaking the color. It is just, the pigment on these palettes so far is just like, what are we? What is this? Just gonna keep alternating between the two brushes until the blend is everything that I feel like I want for the day. And then repeat on the other side. I was thinking that today I might go and take some pictures or something, or just like do them in my house, because I got these really cute shades and I think that they'd be super cute with this look. I'm gonna show you real quick. Pause on the makeup. I'm gonna show you. But like, how cute are these shades? How cute are they? They're freaking cute. Like, is it giving? Is she give with a cute red lip? If you said no, then you lied. You're a hater. But if you say yes, yes, girl, they're cute, and I will link them down in the description box below for you, because these are cute. They're different. I do love a good different shade. Okay, loving the blend on this so far, but let's take it even darker. We've got one more dark shade. We're gonna go into this shade right here, the Dark Money. Dark Money. So for the Dark Money shade, I am gonna take a like flat shadow brush and we're just gonna pack it on to the lid before we start blending. I want to be careful not to take it up too high because I don't want it to be like raccoon eyes. I just want it to be like sexy, smoky kind of look for the day. So I am alternating between this brush and the FF3 brush that had the shade Fancy That on it to continue the blend. I'm going back in with the Scent and Sensibility shade on that 202 brush and then doing the one in the middle. Literally same thing that we're gonna keep, same thing that we're gonna do on the other side to make sure that we get a seamless blend. This is looking pretty good. Morphe is showing out, okay? I do wanna leave this part right here empty so that we can put one of the shimmers right there because we've definitely gotta use more shades. But so far so good on this side. I'm gonna move on to the other side, again, taking that shade Dark Money. I'm starting low and then taking the 202 brush with the shade Fancy That and blending up. Now going in with the Sense and Sensibility brush, the 202, and then back in with Fancy That. Okay, the blend on this smoky eye is looking so good. It's looking so good. For liner, I am gonna take this little brush right here. This one is a e.l.f. eyebrow duo brush, but I'm gonna use it for liner. I do have some water down here. We're gonna use water instead of the setting mist because I want it to be pretty liquidy. Now we're gonna go into that shade. Now we're gonna go into that shade Goldseeker, and again, my brush is wet because we're gonna use it like a liner. Looks like liquid gold. I'm just gonna start to bring it out. Y'all see what the tape is for now. Oh my gosh, we should have put the inner corner shade. But y'all look at that liner. We'll come back to that. Let's go ahead and do the inner corner shade. For that inner corner shade, I'm kind of thinking maybe we'll just keep it matte since we're going with the glittery liner. And we'll use Creme de la Creme in the inner corner to brighten this area up. Do it on both sides. Okay, that's looking pretty good. Now let's get back into the liner. So I wet my brush again, just to make sure it's nice and wet. It's ready to go. Just get back into the liner. That is that Morphe, hello, come through, honey. I just love this shade. It just glides on so easy. I'm just loving this so much. Okay, let's take the tape off. So satisfying. Okay, I'm gonna clean up this fallout, add some lashes, and I'll come back and give you guys my final thoughts. Okay, so this is the final look, you guys. What do we think? What do we think? She cute. I feel like my lashes are maybe too dramatic because you can't even see the gold liner anymore, but it's okay. It's okay, 100% okay. Overall, final thoughts on this palette. Morphe's on a roll. Morphe's on a roll, 2 out of 3, we love it. Going platinum and the Goldseeker, they look like they were sold out online, unfortunately, but the rose gold one, it looked like it was still available. So Check your local Ulta and see what they have. Morphe was definitely sold out in mine though. I looked. Quite unfortunate. If you can find it, grab it. If you can find it, grab it, because not only does it have this amazing gold in the middle, but these neutral tones and everything. This is a great like everyday palette. We'll definitely be seeing it again. 2 out of 3. We're on a roll. Morphe, round of applause for you. Y'all look with the shades. See, I told y'all I would eat. I told you it would. If you are not already subscribed, make sure that you subscribe, like this video. Let me know in the comment section below how we feel about this smoky eye look. How do we feel? And do you like the glasses? Let me know. But don't be a hater. Don't be a hater. Also, make sure that you're subscribed. Have your bell notifications on so that you do not miss the Rose to Fame Part 3 of the Get Rich and Foiled collection by Morphe. And you guys will see my face in the next one.